Next Level Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. I'm going to share with you 3 problems to look out for when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel. Extra bonus points, tips, and strategies from my own experience. If you stay with me all the way through till the end, I'll share with you what I would do today to get signed to a label. You do not want to miss this. Let's get into it. If you're watching this video right now, you're probably someone who's interested in an official artist channel. Maybe you are an artist looking to upgrade your channel. There's some problems that I had to deal with. I'm going to share with you. These are just a few that stood out for me. Let me know in the comment section what stands out most for you. So the first problem when getting your artist channel to look out for is songs will show up that are not even your songs. That happened to me. There may be songs that make you groove, make your body move, but you'll find out what if they don't belong to you. So check out this right here. I'll put this together for you. My artist channel, it got upgraded to an official artist status, but songs showed up. Now these are mine. Stevon right there, my everything. It is clear. But this lady right here, I don't know who this is. Do not go listen to this song, okay? Oliver Twist. The thing that tripped me out about it was it said explicit lyrics. Now I listened to it. I didn't hear anything explicit on there, so I'm not really worried about that. But be aware of that. That's the first problem to look out for when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel. Songs will show up that don't even belong to you. And good luck on getting help from YouTube on it. And we'll talk more about getting help in a minute. So one thing that I did do, I moved it down to the bottom. I sent an email to the lady at the YouTube station and hopefully they'll get back in touch with me. But that's the first problem. Look out for that. The fact that songs will show up and some of those songs may not even belong to you. The second problem when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel is, like I said, getting help. Getting help is not easy. You are not going to find someone who's behind the desk ready to take your call. You can forget about that. In fact, I reached out and called, never got an answer. I went to the website, I have to do my research. I went to Google and I typed in official artist channel. You can go to Google and do your own research and they'll give you some information. In fact, I'm putting together another video on the benefits of having an official artist channel. So look out for that, subscribe for that. But you can go there and they'll give you information. But as far as getting the help you really need, that's one thing I found out. So that's the second problem when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel. Getting help is not going to be easy. You're going to run into all types of issues and getting them to get you the response is not going to be very easy. So keep that in mind. In fact, what I like to use is affirmations. And one of my favorites says, I'm always prepared for the challenge, always ready for the unexpected. I always come through with an outstanding performance and an outstanding result. I can give you counted down. So think about that. Using different affirmations. Another one says that I look at all problems as setbacks as stepping stones. I take what appears to be failure and learn what doesn't work and what does. So that's going to be important when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel. That second problem is there's going to be times when you're going to need help. You're not going to get it. Stay patient and reach out to them. And the good thing about it, they will get back in touch with you if you stay with it. Now, before we go to this third one, I want to take some time to say thank you to all of my subscribers. That's right, you right now coming in, taking time to enjoy what I'm doing over here. If this is your first time, great music, entertainment, inspiration, motivation, hit that subscribe button. Let's solve these problems together. Join the family. So the third problem to look out for when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel is not having a long-term plan. I've seen a lot of people, they had channels that they put together, but they didn't really plan for the long term. Even myself, when I first relaunched my channel, I didn't have a long-term plan. When you get official, you're going to have extra perks. You're going to have a community tab, concert tickets. You're going to be able to host your merchandise on the shelves. And a lot of us, if we don't plan for that long-term plan, that's going to be a problem. So it's the third problem when it comes to upgrading to an official artist channel is not having that plan. So I want to encourage you to put something together. For me, I had to just decide that this is going to be a long-term thing for me. And maybe you're watching this right now and you decided that you're going to be in this thing for the long term. I want to encourage you. You're going to have times when things are going to come in your life. And when you think about long term, 3 to 5 years, maybe even 5 to 10 years, a lot of us don't even think about that. But think about that when it comes to your official artist channel. Plan for the long term. That is going to be very important for your success. I do have some extra bonus points, some extra tips that I want to share with you. But before I do that, I've got to tell you about my brand new upcoming single, God's Time. I'm working on it right now in the studio, working on the video for it and everything. You do not want to miss that. I want to give you a free copy of my brand new single, God's Time. Go to takeittothealtarmusic.com, leave us your email. We're building our email list, reaching out to people just like you. Get you a free copy of it. And while you're doing that, go on over to Spotify, stream my brand new single, Nobody, and go to Amazon and grab you a copy. Take that home with you. Do that. If you've enjoyed this so far, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let other people know this video, this video. It'll let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button. Thank you. So this first bonus point that I want to share with you, it deals mostly with problems in general. We'll all have our own different variety of problems, okay? Some of us will have smaller issues to deal with. In fact, I did my research. I've dealt with beat chain. But if you look at this, I'm going to zoom in for you. It says that there are way too many upsells with DistroKid. So that's one of the issues that you might run into with them. It's just an example how we all are going to have our different issues when it comes to upgrading to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know we want to go to the next level in everything that we do. The second bonus point deals with changing your name. I had to change my name. I changed my name so many times, I don't even know who I am anymore. I changed my name. I did that for you. So the thing is that if you find a topic channel, which I go into more detail in my other video, the topic name has to match up with your artist name. And even though I'll always be Stevon NextLevel Mindset, had to change it to Stevon so that it can match up. So that's another thing to keep in mind as a bonus. Consider your name. You might have to be in a situation where you change your name, and if you have to end up changing your name, you might have to do that to lock in that official artist status. This next bonus point that I want to share with you, it deals mostly with the idea of being an artist. For a long time, I thought about what I would do to get signed, to excel to the next level in my music career. Some of you watching this right now, you're wondering, how can I get this thing done? Check out this video right here, what I would do today to get signed. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, and remember, there's nothing that needs to be done that together we cannot do. I'll see you on to the next level. Peace.